Kamchatka, a peninsula stretching over 700 miles and covering an area of 104,000 square miles in the Russian Far East, extends into the northern Pacific Ocean. Kamchatka Krai, a region which encompasses parts of the Russian mainland and some smaller islands, is larger than California. Kamchatka is a unique region where contrasting elements converge, showcasing a landscape where icy terrain meets fiery volcanic activity. Known for its remarkable geological activity, Kamchatka boasts numerous volcanoes, geysers, hot springs, and even an acidic lake. It boasts the southernmost expanse of Arctic tundra and is home to a staggering 160 volcanoes, 29 of which are currently active. Additionally, 19 of Kamchatka's volcanoes are designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Despite its considerable size, the peninsula is sparsely populated, with just over 300,000 residents as of 2018, half of whom reside in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky. This leaves much of the peninsula as untouched wilderness, offering opportunities for adventurous pursuits. Kamchatka, much like other regions of Arctic Siberia, was initially inhabited by indigenous tribes in sparse numbers. In the 16th century, drawn by stories of a land abundant in fish and furs and believed to be aflame with natural phenomena, Russia laid claim to Kamchatka. Cossacks established 2 fur trading outposts on the peninsula in 1697. The mapping of Kamchatka was facilitated by Vitus Bering's expedition to explore the Russian Far East and chart a course to North America. In 1740, Bering's expedition reached Avacha Bay, where the foundation for Petropavlovsk was laid. After World War II, Kamchatka was designated a military zone, restricting access to non-residents until the late 1980s for Russians and until 1991 for foreigners. Notably, the peninsula housed the largest Russian nuclear submarine base and a submarine construction facility. One of the Cold War's significant incidents occurred in the early 1980s, involving the intentional downing of a Korean Air civilian airliner by the Soviet Union over Kamchatka when it veered into a sensitive military airspace. Kamchatka experiences a diverse climate, characterized by distinct zones defined by its alpine, coastal, and geothermal features. The prime period for tourist visits typically spans from summer to autumn, between June and September. During this time, temperatures range from 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, offering pleasant conditions for exploration. Contrastingly, winters are notably colder, with average temperatures plummeting to around -25 degrees Celsius. Given its maritime influence, the weather in Kamchatka can be changeable, with the Sea of Okhotsk and the Pacific Ocean bringing variations in temperature, occasional rain, and humidity. Kamchatka is isolated from the rest of Russia by the absence of road connections, making air travel the sole practical means of access. Yelizovo serves as the primary airport, situated a mere 10 miles from Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky. Regular commercial flights operate between Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky and major cities like Moscow, St. Petersburg, and Vladivostok. Kamchatka is often described as one of the few remaining pristine wilderness areas on the planet, boasting a diverse array of wildlife. Among its inhabitants are brown bears, snow rams, sable, wolverines, and golden eagles. Notably, Kamchatka serves as the breeding ground for stellar sea eagles, renowned as the largest eagles in the world. The peninsula hosts the world's largest and most densely populated brown bear population, estimated at around 10,000 individuals. Comparable in size to American grizzlies, Kamchatka brown bears are generally considered to be relatively gentle in temperament. Near the coastline, blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, are frequently spotted. The sea otter population, protected since as early as 1882, now numbers around 2,000 individuals along parts of southern Kamchatka's shoreline. Kamchatka's waters are teeming with fish, particularly salmon, contributing to what is believed to be the world's greatest diversity of salmon species. Kuril Lake is recognized as Eurasia's largest salmon spawning ground. Additionally, the region is home to numerous varieties of trout. Valley of Geysers. Located in the Kronotsky Nature Reserve, the Valley of Geysers is one of the largest geyser fields in the world, featuring over 20 geysers along with hot springs, mud pots, and fumaroles. It is a surreal landscape of steam vents and boiling water erupting from the Earth's surface. Klyuchevskaya Sopka. As the highest active volcano in Eurasia, Klyuchevskaya Sopka stands at over 15,000 feet tall. It's a popular destination for mountaineers and offers stunning views of the surrounding volcanic landscape. Kuril Lake. This pristine lake is renowned for its abundant population of brown bears, attracted by the rich salmon spawning grounds. Visitors can observe bears fishing for salmon from specially constructed viewing platforms, a unique and unforgettable wildlife experience. Avasha Bay. Serving as the main harbor of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, Avasha Bay offers picturesque views of rugged coastlines and volcanic peaks. Boat tours are available for exploring the bay and nearby islands. Mutnovsky Volcano. Mutnovsky is an active volcano characterized by its rugged beauty and diverse geothermal features, including fumaroles, hot springs, and steaming vents. Hiking trails lead to the crater rim, providing visitors with the chance to witness the volcanic activity up close. Kamchatka, situated just off the coast where the Pacific Plate is subducted beneath the Okhotsk Plate, experiences intense geological activity. Historic earthquakes, including two of the strongest ever recorded in 1737 and 1952 with magnitudes of 9.3 and 9.0 respectively, have left a lasting impact. The 1952 quake triggered a devastating tsunami that affected Hawaii, New Zealand, and Chile. Powerful earthquakes of varying magnitudes occur regularly in the area. Bears are also a potential threat, as they have been known to wander into city suburbs and remote wilderness areas. To avoid attracting bears, it's crucial not to leave any food, even small scraps or cans, along paths or at campsites. Making noise and speaking aloud while trekking is advisable, as bears typically avoid unfamiliar and loud sounds. Kamchatka is a land of unparalleled beauty and remarkable contrasts. From its icy tundras to fiery volcanic landscapes, Kamchatka offers a wealth of natural wonders waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this video and are still looking for more stunning scenery, be sure to check out these videos. Make sure to subscribe for more journeys into the heart of Earth's most extraordinary landscapes. Until our paths cross again on the next video, stay safe.